Leo here. Today I'm going to show you the basics of welding using modern equipment. Welding is used to join different metal sections together and is thus necessary for making many things that we take for granted, like cars, fridges and aircraft. To build our hydrogen ship, we will be mostly welding aluminium tubing together. Here is a portable inverter machine that melts metal using electricity. It is called a MIG arc welder. MIG stands for metal inert gas. The gases used are argon and carbon dioxide. These gases shield the metal from oxidizing, as, believe it or not, molten steel burns in air. In fact, we can use this principle to cut metal using a plasma cutter. More on that later in the series. Older arc welders used rods of metal that were hand-fed by the welder. Modern machines, however, control the spark for you and feed the metal wiring into the joint at just the right speed, reducing the skill level needed of the operator. Amazingly, a good weld will be just as strong as the metals that are being joined. Cheers.